What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you some insane secret features on the LG Stylo 6's camera. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hope everyone is safe out there. We're going to be showing you a few new secret features on the LG Stylo 6 for its camera. So if you guys have this device, or you guys have an LG device that you kind of want to, do some new stuff with or learn some new tricks for, this video is definitely going to help you a lot. Let's just go ahead and start this off though. Alright everyone, so we're going to start off with an actual banger for the first tip right here. This is going to be very, very useful for all of the students out there trying to copy essays or trying to copy text from something. But this is very, very easy to do. So what you're going to do is take whatever type of text you want. So we're just going to use this little paper notelet thing right here. We're going to take a picture of it real quick. So all you have to do is take a picture. 3, 2, 1, go. We went ahead and took a picture, and we can actually copy the text from that photo. So to do that, we're going to want to go ahead and click on the bottom left right there. Go ahead and click on that, and we actually have this Google text reader right here. So we're going to want to go ahead and click that. It's on the top right, and then it's going to go ahead and show us basically what this is about, and it's going to give us a few options right here. We can go ahead and search for more information on whatever text is highlighted. We can select the text. We can actually copy the text as well. So if you guys want to get a certain amount of text right here, go ahead and do so. Copy it, and you guys can paste and send it to wherever you want. You can also copy this text to your computer, or you can just listen to it right here. Let's go ahead and turn that up. Let's go ahead and click on that again.
Us do that. We need to know you.
So that is a really useful feature. Some other very useful stuff if you guys are in, a different country. But if you guys have a brochure or something that's in a different language, you can actually scroll all the way through here and you can translate it to whatever language you need it to be, or you can do a Google search right there. So I thought that was a very, very useful feature for the LG Stylo 6. And I feel like a lot more people are going to use this now. All right, everyone, so our next feature that we're going to be showing you is going to be inside of the camera as well. Now, this is a very, very basic feature that I feel like a lot of people should know about. On the top right, we have a little timer right there. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, a lot of people don't know what this is, but you can actually set this timer to basically take photos. So we have it on 3 right here. We have another option for 5, and our last option right here is actually 10 seconds. So we're going to put it back to 3. But if you guys are taking a photo, maybe with a large crowd of people, maybe you have a group of friends, maybe you are trying to take a perfect photo, this is actually a timer. So we have 3, 5, and 10 seconds to take a photo. So all you have to do is be in the photo section of the camera app. Go ahead and click on that, and then you get a countdown. We can also do that for 5 seconds, and it starts from 5. And the great thing right here is the LED actually flashes as well, which is pretty cool. So a really cool feature. I also like the LED flash just to show you when the photo is going to be taken. Very, very useful feature, and I think it's super underrated as well. All right, everyone, so our next feature is very basic as well, but I feel like a lot of people don't know about this, and the only thing you're going to have to do is actually hold on the camera application. So we're going to go hold on that, and we actually have a few different options right here. We're going to go and hold that again. We have a few different options. We have the info tab on the top right. We have portrait, we have video, we have selfie camera, and we have photo. So depending on what you want to go to, these are 4 different shortcuts. So what we're going to go and do is go into portrait right here. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to take us into portrait mode straight from there. So I thought that was really cool. Same thing with video. It's going to take us straight into video. And same thing with the rest of these. Selfie camera, photo. Very, very basic, but very underrated, as I said before. All right, everyone, so the next tip inside of the camera application is going to be in the settings. Now, this is actually going to let you take photos with your voice. It's going to be on the top left. So we're going to go ahead and click on that settings gear icon. And once we're in here, if you guys don't have this on, you guys are going to go ahead and turn this on. These are the list of useful features that we have right here: tag, locations, grid, help. But we also have cheese shutter. Now, when you turn this on, it says you can take a photo by saying cheese, smile, whiskey, kimchi, or LG. And as you guys see, we are taking photos currently by actually saying those words. But we're going to say all of those words. So we're going to say cheese, kimchi, whiskey. So very, very accurate voice recognition on this phone, and it's honestly really, impressive to see that a phone of this price can actually have that accurate of a voice recognition system. But we're gonna go and try that again. Kimchi, whiskey, cheese. So very useful feature if you guys would like to take photos with your voice. Maybe you can't reach the shutter button because the phone is a little big. It's about 6.8 inches. Again, another very, very useful feature. All right, everyone, so the next feature is going to be showing you how to open up the camera just by double tapping the power button. Now, if you guys don't have this on, we're going to go into settings really quick. And we are going to go ahead and type in camera. So we typed in camera right there. A couple of things are going to open up right here. And we're going to go ahead and click on the second option that says open camera. Go ahead and click on that. And now it shows us this option right here. And most people, I feel like, are going to have this off. So you're going to want to go ahead and turn that on. And it says if you press the power key twice, the camera will open. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is tap that twice and the camera is going to open straight from there. So I thought that was a really cool feature. Obviously people like Flossie Carter call this world star mode. So if you guys are trying to catch a fight or you guys are trying to catch something really quick, maybe trying to take a picture of someone that, that ran you off the side of the road, I mean, you can go ahead and do that as well. But, we don't like snitches. So, but yeah, really cool feature right here if you guys want to use that. Very basic stuff. And the last feature I'm going to be showing you right here is actually really cool as well. And we're going to go ahead and go inside of the camera. Next, we're going to go to the second option right here. And this gives us certain filters. So we can check out urban, vivid, violet, vintage, jade, nostalgia. And we also have stickers as well. So if you guys have a face set up, you can actually take, it has little sounds and stuff. That is insanely loud, oh my gosh. But you guys can set up stickers and basically take photos of your face with any of these stickers. So I thought that was really cool. We have a heart section right here. I'll take a couple photos just to show you guys. We have a glasses section. And if you guys want to actually download more, we have a little one that's right there. It's kind of hid away. We have the download arrow right here. Go ahead and click on that. But this is going to take us to the LG Smart World, and we have a few different options right here. So we have neon sticker, Halloween sticker. Obviously, we've passed Halloween, but if you guys still, mess with Halloween around this time, then hey, go ahead and try this out. But we also have hand drawing and we have Face Express stickers. So I thought that was really cool, kind of giving LG users an option, outside of Snapchat to use these type of filters. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple photos I've taken just to give you an example. All right, everyone, so obviously not the proudest moment of my life, but we have some sticker photos right here. This one's kind of like a frog one. This one's a cat one. This one's a duck one, but you can take these type of filters, and I know people, tend to have fun with these type of stickers and stuff. So, but yeah, if you guys want to use this, just to have fun and stuff like that, obviously that is a cool feature. Sorry for that zoom in. But yeah, if you guys did find those features useful, definitely leave a like down below as well, subscribing if you are not part of the tech gang already. Also, guys, tell me about some more features in the comment section down below. If you think people don't know about them, definitely help your neighbor out. But I really hope you guys have a great rest of your day. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.